We got a box from Universal Yums. Let's see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting Poland. First thing we're gonna try, Crunch Chips. Paprika flavor. Oh, straightforward picnic. Very crispy shoestring fries. It's more on like ketchupy, addicting. 10 out of 10.
Like dehydrated fries. 10 for me.
Ketchup potato snack. Lapsy. Look at that. You can smell the ketchup flavor. Very light, airy. It's almost like you're eating nothing. Almost like veggie sticks, but this one has a lot of flavor. We'll give this 10 out of 10.
I love the hole. Very tight like me.
Oh my god.
Of course, 10.
Monster Mine. Oh, they're so cute. Not too overpowering. They're not even salty. It's very addicting. The texture is 10. Overall, 8.
8.
Pretzels. Beskidski? How do you say it, Ma?
Besinikel.
Ano ba?
Why is it a straightforward pretzel? Good. Chanterelle mushroom.
Thank you for me.
It's a chanterelle and creamy mushroom flavor. The umami that you're tasting. 10 out of 10.
10. Kopekpek.
No, ma! That's not how you say it!
Looks like it's a sour cream and onion deal. There's a lot of green speck. If you like the deal flavor, very airy, 9 out of 10 for me.
10.
Let's rolls. I can smell the salted caramel flavor already. Wafer of salted caramel flavor in the middle. 10 out of 10.
When an Asian woman tell you it's not too sweet, it means it's diabetes. It's 10 out of 10.
Oh, Coach Wisnia. Ooh, dark chocolate. Healing in the middle. Oh. Straightforward cherry dark chocolate. 8 out of 10.
10 for me.
Gingerbread bar with lime filling. Oh, you can really smell the ginger and lime. Very dense. Ginger lime flavor. Very sweet in the middle. It's like a gingerbread cookie. 2 times more. That's gonna be 7 out of 10.
This is not your father, this is white. I don't like the flavor. It's 5 for me.
Ay, it says peanut butter. Peanut butter cream filling in the middle. Like Reese's peanut butter. Straightforward creamy. 8 out of 10.
Dark chocolate Reese's, 9.
Gingerbread. Like, you know the gingerbread house? Ta-da! Ay, it's chewy. The crust of the loaf bread. 9 out of 10.
10.
Gustosa. Crunchy cookies with lemon cream. Like vanilla wafers. You can really smell the lemon. Vanilla cookie with lemon cream filling. 9 out of 10.
10 for me.
Tini Yums. What do we have to take, ma? Pero wash it all down with a drink. Oh, it's apple rhubarb. Straightforward apple juice. Very refreshing. 10 out of 10.
10 for me. Jean Kuya Poland, thank you for letting us taste your snack.
Make sure to go to universalyums.com to start your own adventure.